Join us and learn how to make a pearl blossom ring in this step-by-step Cognac Jewellery School online course. This project is inspired by the old apricot tree that grows in the gardens at the Château de Puiguier and home of the Cognac Jewellery School. Although it no longer fruits, its beautiful pink blossoms are always a welcome sight, as they're the first to come out in the spring and mark the start of longer days and warm weather to come. This start-to-finish project takes you through every step you need to make your own twig ring and blossom flowers using silver clay alongside traditional silversmithing techniques. The ring is then set with pearls to create a beautiful and elegant finished piece. In this course, you'll learn how to create a twig mould using a real twig, how to use that mould with silver clay to create a ring, how to create blossom flowers and buds using silver sheet and wire, forming, soldering and polishing methods, and how to set half-drilled pearls, as well as other techniques that you'll find useful in future projects. This course is broken down into 18 easy-to-digest lessons and 9 bonus technical videos. Simply sign up and make this project by following the instructions one lesson at a time. You can complete this project in one go, or if you need to take a break, the handy progress bar will remember where you are, so you can easily pick up where you left off. And of course, once you've purchased this course, it's yours to keep forever, so you can revisit it as many times as you like. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the essential guide to silver clay, printable flower templates for this project, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you might not already have. And finally, all online courses grant you direct access to help and support to answer any questions you may have along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your queries to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.